Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here with Eternity Warrior. Welcome back to your abs challenge. How are you guys doing? It's day 17 to get sexier abs in 30 days. So today we're going to focus on some mobility movements. Basically, they're flow movements. There's 4 different ones we're going to do for 6 minutes straight. So let's get to it. And first I'm going to show you what we're going to do so that you have an idea of these mobility movements because they link together. So the first one, we're going to start in plank and then turn it into side plank. Reach your arm up and the top leg goes up or down. And if you have to modify it, you can take that knee down if you have to. Otherwise, leg goes up, holding that core nice and tight, coming back to plank. Tricep push-up is a good one. If you need to modify, you can go down to your knees and then you're going to the other side. Okay, that's the first mobility movement. The second one, we're going into chair. So I'll show you quickly before we start. So the chair is sweep your arms up. We're going to step one leg back into a lunge and then using the momentum from the lunge, really strengthen your core, hold it tight, wrap the rib cage in, up and under, and then shoot the arms back as the leg and heel comes up, flexing your foot, and then straight back into chair squat, and then back into lunge. Okay, so we're gonna do that on each side. The third one, is also a plank. So we're gonna do a tricep push-up again, sweep the leg out, and then sweep it back, coming into a triangle. And then if you want, just stretch your abs out, up, over here for a wild thing. Reverse dancer's bridge. And then again in the middle, tricep. If you need to modify, you go to your knees. And then the other side, don't forget that sweep into a triangle and then out. Okay, let's go. And the last one's pretty easy, I'll show you. Nothing to it but to do it. Starting the timer for 6 minutes. Remember, we start into that plank. So again, side plank, coming onto the right hand, stack the feet, hold that core tight, lift the top leg up, hold it 2, 3, 4, it comes down, back to center, tricep push-up, and up, we go straight to the other side. Right hand comes up, right foot stacks on left. Raise that leg if you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to plank, back to push up. Let's do that one more time. Hold the leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down, plank. Tricep push up, modify if you need to. Go to your knees if you have to. Side plank. Lift the right leg up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back down. Walk your feet up, tippy toe all the way up to your hands. And now sweep your arms up by your ears, sitting back into an imaginary chair. So sit low, reach your arms up by your ears, really suck in those lower abs. And from here, we're gonna step the right leg back into a high crescent lunge, and then using the momentum from the core, using your balance, coming into warrior 3, and then back into chair. Nice fluid movement, switch legs. So left leg steps back, high crescent, hold it long and strong, sweep the arms back by the hips, but keep them engaged. Really flex your foot, flex your triceps, flex your core, keep that hip down, and bring it back into chair. Let's do that one more time. From chair, sit back, make sure those knees don't go past the toes. See if you could see your toes, really suck that core in tight. Step the right foot back, high crescent lunge, reach up, and now using momentum, coming into warrior 3. It's okay. You have to balance yourself against a wall, but really see if you could square the hips and come back into chair. Good, left leg back, high crescent. You guys got this. You're warriors. Keep pushing. And into warrior 3. Back down to chair. Bring your hands down, shoot the feet back, walk, step, or jump back to plank pose. And for this one, you can do a tricep push-up as optional. Sweep the right leg out as far as you can, tippy toes, and sweep it back, coming onto the side. Again, side plank, triangle. And if you want to take that right foot outside and really reach your hips up for a nice stretch, you can do that. Coming back to plank, tricep push-up, other leg sweeps out and all the way back, immediately coming into that triangle, side plank, and the optional wild thing. Good. Tricep push-up. One more. Oh, yeah, the other side. Good job. Hold it tight, keep those hips high, and wild thing, push it back. Good. Last one, guys. Come down onto the ground, and this one, your arms are going out to a T. Point your toes, so just your tippy toes are on the ground, and then we're going to roll from one side to the next while the top leg sweeps out and up. So top leg sweeps out and up, and then back, and then roll to the other side. But engage your core. Your arms are out like a T, and you want to really sweep the leg as high as you can and then back. So try not to collapse onto the ground. Extend your leg out, sweep it up as high as you can, crunch it in, and now turn to the other side. Extend it out and up, in, and back. So keep twisting that core. And you can go as fast or as slow as you want to with these mobility movements. They're so good for lubricating all of the joints while we keep our core strong, which improves our balance, our back, just about everything. And we got one more on each side. You guys are doing so good. Bring it in and out and in. Good job. And now from here, suitcase crunches. Since we're already in position, we're going to bring it all the way up and all the way out. So we're going to burn out the last part of this ab session with suitcase crunches. So don't collapse. Again, extend and zip it up into a tight little package, as tight as you can. We got 5 more, guys. Keep breathing, exhale on the exertion. Wrap your ribs in, suck your core in tight, chin away from the chest. 2. Last one, best one. Ooh, extend it all the way out. You guys finished your 6-minute abs for day 17. So excited, you guys. All these different movements, they really hit different parts of our abdominals. And we're keeping our core strong because there's so much connected to our core, our balance, our strength, our equilibrium. So we have to work on that all the time. And all these different movements is what chisels your abs. So this 30-day challenge, I'm so proud of you guys that are keeping up. Keep up with it. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you get day 18, 19, 20. And after this, all the great stuff we're going to be bringing to you, recipes, all kinds of tips. So thanks for joining me. We'll see you soon.